Hi everyone, welcome to Shristi Home Designs, the channel where we share our passion for creating beautiful and functional house designs. If you're looking for customized house design, get in touch with us. We can help you to design your dream house. Today we are showcasing a 4-bedroom house design. Let's begin. This design is a 2-floor, 4-bedroom house design. The built-up area is 2,600 square feet or 240 square meters. The plot, or land size, is 60 feet by 40 feet, or 18.3 meters by 12.2 meters. In the ground floor, we have a living room, staircase, lobby, dining area, kitchen with utility and laundry area. There are 2 bedrooms with attached bath, along with a car park and lawn on the right side of the house. On the first floor, we have an upper living area with balcony, 2 bedrooms with attached bath and an open terrace. Watch the video till the end for the detailed floor plan. Ground floor plan. First floor plan. Ground floor plan. Entry gate, car park size 13 feet 7 inches by 17 feet 3 inches or 4.14 meters by 5.28 meters. We enter the house through the veranda or patio into the living room. Size 14 feet by 15 feet 9 inches or 4.27 meters by 4.82 meters. On the left side of the living room we have a lobby area, with the staircase to access the first floor. Opposite to the staircase we have the dining area. Size: 14 feet by 10 feet, or 4.27 meters by 3.05 meters. From the dining we move on to the kitchen. Size: 12 feet by 10 feet or 3.66 meters by 3.05 meters. Alongside the kitchen there is utility and laundry area. Now let's see the bedrooms. Bedroom 1 with attached bath. Size: 16 feet by 11 feet, or 4.88 meters by 3.35 meters. Bedroom 2 with attached bath. Size: 14 feet by 11 feet, or 4.27 meters by 3.35 meters. First floor plan. As we climb up the stairs towards the first floor, into the lobby we can see the double height area, overlooking the dining on ground floor. On the right side of lobby, we have our upper living room. Size: 14 feet by 15 feet 9 inches or 4.27 meters by 4.82 meters, along with a balcony on the front. Now let us see the first floor bedrooms. Bedroom 3 with attached bath. Size: 16 feet by 11 feet, or 4.88 meters by 3.35 meters. Bedroom 4 with attached bath. Size: 14 feet by 11 feet, or 4.27 meters by 3.35 meters. There is an open terrace on the rear side. Thank you, Shristi Home Designs, for customized home designs. Get in touch with us. Contact details are in the description below. Thanks for your time. Join us on this journey and subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every week, so don't miss out. And don't forget to leave us a comment and let us know what you think of our designs. Thanks for watching.